Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax at beautiful Lake of the Ozarks. We're standing on a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX, outfitted with the Sea Ray blue on the exterior, stone on the interior. This one's powered by twin Mercury 62350s. It's got a hydraulic swim platform off the back, obviously the large sun pad in the back with the flip-up backrests. As you come on into the boat, couple neat features I love about the Sea Ray 310 is easy access to your battery switches and controls. Also, your platform controls for the hydraulic swim platform. This is a cooler right down here. I also call it shoe storage when you're coming into the boat. Got a beautiful dockside step. Got a ton of seating in here in the cockpit of the boat. Beautiful port side U-shaped seating with storage in behind the backrest here. I love this spot for ropes, etc. This one is particularly outfitted with a cooler, freshwater sink, of course, trash receptacle, and refrigerator. Got cooler storage up underneath this seat as well, GFCI outlets. We've got the Sure Shade deployed, as well as the opening hardtop as an option on this particular boat. Coming into the helm area, you've got dual electronic binnacles, Mercury joystick control, Axis joystick controls, large Simrad screens, auto trim, tons of features on this boat. And then I love this fact on this Sea Ray 310 is that you can spin this around and bring your co-pilot into the conversation center. Full head down below. And obviously a large oversized bow here on the Sea Ray 310 SLX. Again, my name is Jeff here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Stop in, let's go for a ride.